Continuous innovation is the competitiveness of enterprises and products. In future, patented technology is a necessity. We have more than 200 technical innovation patents.
The early purifiers are used RPG not to show air quality, but it is with a very large deviation range. The users do not know exact air quality index. We developed a purifier with digital air quality indicator. As the first manufacturer, users can see the air quality and the purification effect directly. It makes us lead the air purifier industry trend.
We pay more attention to R&D works. We built up an experienced R&D team. To do better service to customers and market, with customer-focused, we have set up a strict product developing process. This can maximize its customers' product competitiveness.
We strictly execute the ISO 9001 and 14001 management systems. We set up national labs for testing aerodynamics, filter materials, CADR, noise, and formaldehyde. Each product is come from rigorous testing. Temperature, QUV aging, salt spray test, drop test, simulation test, more than 40 tests, etc.
In the information age, every minute is precious for customers. We not only to manage quality, but also to serve customers efficiently. In Nansha Free Trade Zone, we have built up a 30,000 square meter automated dust-free production base. Mode, injection, filter metal parts, and final assembly are all self-produced. This greatly reduces manufacturing costs and time costs, and the ERP intelligent management system monitors the whole process and also saves time.
Customer service is one of our advantages. Before sale, we would do market research for customers. In sale, we are customer-focused and do follow-up service. Establish strategic partnerships with CSC, Haier, Lenovo, Bolt, Carrefour, etc. Products cover more than 50 countries and regions. After sale, we are aiming at customer satisfaction. Service comes first, and operation in good faith. Honesty is the base of our enterprise. Faith is the way of our development, which is our core culture. Therefore, we will always be honest and trustworthy.
To promote a spirit of craftsmanship, care for life, back to nature, create value for customers, grow together with partners, providing quality smart home products for the society, serving society, strive to be the leader in the industry.